Hey guys, this is Kannagi. In this video, I'm going to talk about the second half of the description about Masters in Computing and Data Analytics course at SaintMary's University, Halifax. If you haven't watched my first two videos talking about the course, I have attached the links in the description. Please watch those videos and come back. The second part of the course is again divided into 8 months, which has 4 and 4 months. There are 3 options that are provided to you, or as a student that I pursue. So you can either do project and a project in both of those courses, or you can go for internships, or you can do a project and an internship. So in my experience, or what did I do? I pursued projects. The reason being, I did not have enough experience in India. So I just did not want to directly go into the internship. I wanted to gain some experience in my project where I had supervision of my academic supervisor. He, along with the mentors, gave me enough training that I became ready in order to face the industry tomorrow. So what's the difference between projects and internship? A project is done with the academic supervisor. Our academic supervisors have a lot of projects under their belt. So you work with those inside the university to deliver quality results in the end. On the contrary, internship is actually done with the industry. So you go and work with your industry people to deliver quality results. What's common between the two? Well, both of these have to generate reports in the end, where you write up reports which are submitted to the MSC CDA program for their approval. And that's how you get the grades for both of these courses. Now this brings me to my second question. How do we get one internship, or where do we find one? Well, as soon as you come here, you can start applying for your internship from the second month itself. SMU course is pretty flexible towards it. Now, in order to find an internship, you definitely need a CV and LinkedIn profile, which is pretty up to date. SMU, the course itself, has tie-ups with the Student Center that helps you build in your strong resume as well as your LinkedIn profiles. They also have mock interviews. It did help me a lot. I did my mock interviews, and then when I sat for my actual interview at IBM, it was pretty helpful. How do you apply for internships? There are 2 ways. Either you apply it yourself individually, or the program helps you. So I want to clarify, there is no on-campus placements where companies come in and pick you up, but rather there is a vast network from the SMU alumni as well as the course director making those connections. So whenever there are new job postings or any new opportunities come up, they are first given to the MSC CDA students to go and apply for. The second thing is, when you apply individually, you will definitely find out some of the alumni working there. That's where your network comes in. So build your networks, make sure that you go into all the networking events that are organized by the course, so that tomorrow when you have to jump into the job market, there's a vast network that helps you in. All of this is my personal experience on how I felt taking all of these opportunities. Well, I think that's pretty much it for this video. If you have anything else that you want me to touch base on, do put it in the comments section. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.